San Jose, Tacloban City. Let's welcome on stage Miss Angelica Sinining. A round of applause, please.
Together, don't know where he is. My heart can feel the day will come when he's mine to be forever. Waiting for him. This love deep inside me that's so real, so real. I'll keep believing in magic. Someday, somehow, my true love will come. This may be my last day alone, 'cause there's someone for me who will always be the one I love. Happy days may end if we lose our friends. If we share a love that's enough to last a lifetime. Waiting for him. Too long I feel to keep this love deep inside me that's so real, so real. I'll keep believing in magic. Someday, somehow, my true love will come. This may be my last day alone, 'cause there's someone for me who will always be the one I love. 'Cause there's someone for me who will always be the one I love. I'll keep believing in magic. Someday, somehow, my true love will come. This may be my last day alone, 'cause there's someone for me who will always be the one I love. 'Cause there's someone for me who will always be the one I love.
Wow! What a crystal voice!
I love.
Thank you.
Sorry, kala ko tapos na. Sorry.
Pasensya naman. Sorry, thank
Ba't
you so much.
ganun? This is my second time around, no?
Yes.
Ay, ito,
That was
tapos na
beautiful.
kasi, di ba?
Yes. Okay lang yun.
Okay lang yun, okay naman.
Buti na lang magaling si Miss Zulika. Zulika.
This is my second time around. Sorry, guys. Mahirap talaga pag live ganun, ano? Anyway, sabi ko ba, it sounds like, Disney song. Disney song ba yun? Sorry.
Opo.
Wow. Oo.
Kaya
Kasi
narinig ko rin
grabe.
yung magic.
Yung magic, pag
in the
sinabing
air.
magic, parang
Yung kinakanta niya
Disney song, di ba? Kasi
From what movie to?
Yes. Kung alam mo,
Di ko po alam, basta kinanta po ng senior, yung ball ng ABS-CBN.
talaga, ABS-CBN,
okay.
hello.
Sige, anong title ng song?
Believing in Magic.
Believing in Magic.
Right.
Baka
See?
yung
Pag sinabi
yung
mga
Wish
magic.
na movie. But I'm not sure ha. Ano din yun?
Basta yun na yun. Kasi di ba yung voice niya talagang crystal clear, di ba? Parang pang Disney nga, di ba? So, ayun. Anyways, sige, let's move on. Hindi ako naka-move on
Yes.
sa...
Sige.
Sorry.
May magic din itong magsasabi sa'yo. So, let's hear it from Mr. Joffet Osena.
Hi, Ain.
Hello po.
Kukulba ka, no?
Relax,
Medyo,
relax.
Na-feel ko gihapon na ito ni mo kulba. But, I like how you started the song. The angelic voice na
Yes.
mo nababatin. You like Broadway songs, ano?
ay, ano lang.
Or natripan mo ulit yun na kanta?
opo.
Actually, bagay ay mo mga Broadway songs. So, mayayak ang kunin mo performance, it was good. Pero careful lang kita. Kasi syempre, performers, dire may wasang kukulba. Yung kukulba. And sometimes, pag tungudit kulba, damo lagodit nagiging resulta taton performance. So, dapat kaya mo ito i-manage. So, careful ka lahiti mo mga high notes. Practice pa. Kay magiging okay to mo, magiging smooth na tanan. But overall, yan yung performance, mahupay. Mahupay pag pinamation. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Joffet Osena, thank you. Yes,
Ano mo sabi mo?
Huwag kang matalas kasi mahulog ka.
Baka mahulog ka.
Okay. Thank you po. Sa susunod, i-apply ko rin po yung mga advices niyo po in the next competition na masasalihan ko po.
Inshallah. Ayan. Thank you so much. Okay, that was...
Ain Zulika
Ain
Sinining.
Zulika
Thank you so
Sinining.
much.